Hi everyone. Hello everyone. So today JavaScript day 2. Okay. So today I am going to explain about how to hide one section in JavaScript by using JavaScript. How to hide it. Okay. So sometimes in the reality, it is required actually. So if you want to show some extra information, okay, or if you want some hide some extra information when it is relevant to that particular field or not, that time you can use like this method actually. Okay, so let me show you one example. um, for example, here preferred contact method is there. This is contact form. In the contact form, when you click a new contact form, this form will be displayed. And now preferred the method of contact, any is selected, nothing, there is no section, that's why nothing is displayed. And when you select email, then email related section is displayed. So how it is going to display, I will explain you. So script is enabled, that's why this section is displayed. Okay, so how we are going to write script for section hide and unhide, I will show you. But this is a dynamic CRM contact form. Okay, this is a real-time contact form. So there is no section. Okay, this for this email. First we need to add one section. After that we need to hide and unhide this section. Right. So anyway, now I'm going to create one section. Then after that I will write the code for that hiding and unhiding. So this is on one environment. I am closing this environment. So now this is another environment, production environment. So it is also trial. So now I have to select the contact. Okay, what I have to select? I have to select contact, and there is no form. Let me show you. For example, if you click on new contact form, preferred contact method email. So no, form is not available. I mean section is not available. So we have to create a section for this form, right? So what you need to do is go to the advanced settings. First create one section. After that, write your code. Then now go to customization, because we are modifying our existing application. We are not going to create a new solution, and in the new custom solution we are not doing. We are customizing in our own dynamic CRM. Okay, in vanilla implementation. So now select customize the system, and next we have to select that contact form and entity, right? Go to entities and contact form. Okay, contact entity. First contact. This is the contact entities. Expand it, and in the form, select the form. And here there are so many forms are available, but we have to select our contact form. It is a default contact form. Select that contact form. So under here, he this area I want to create one section, right? So select this area and go to insert section, and this is a section, one column section I have created. Okay, this is the section. So double click it, and when you are double clicking it, this is the summary tab. Section 10 is displayed, right? So, and also this is the summary. Copy this summary and paste it in the notepad first. This is the summary. I will show you what is summary. Summary of the tab. So this is the tab information. Okay. And next, keep like that. And I want to select section only. This is the section. This is the summary. Sorry. Just 1 minute. This is the summary. Summary is this one. Copy this one. Click OK and paste in the notepad. Not this one. This is the summary. Mean tab information. This is the summary is the tab information. Next, section information also we have to copy. This is the section, and anyway this section name I am changing like email information, email underscore information, and just copy in the notepad. Okay, so we are going to use these two things later, that's why copy in the notepad. And the label name section is there, you know the label name you can select like email information section, like that you can change it, and show the label of the section on the form. Okay, select OK. Now the section name is displayed. The next, select home, save and publish, and save and close. Publish it. Now it is publishing. And save and close. Okay. Next, go to the form and check whether the email section is displayed or not. Let's refresh it. Not yet come. Just inspect elements and refresh again. And before that, in the form, actually in the contact form, so we need to add some fields in the email information. So right hand side you see some fields already. We can drag and drop it. Email ID 1, email ID 2, email confirm. For your information purpose only, and save and publish it. Then save and close. Three things, right? Publish it, save and close. And once again, if you want, you can publish this contact form also. So that's it, and refresh it. sometimes it will take time. Yeah, now it is displaying the information section, right? And email ID 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these fields are displayed. So now what I want is if I select email ID, then this section should display. Else, for example, if I select any, okay, then this section should hide. Okay, this is my programming logic. And anyway, what you need to do is you need to open a notepad plus plus. So in order to write your code, so here what we can write is, for example, so you know, right, a function name we have to write first. We have to declare the function name. Function name I am writing toggle section, and execution context. And these two lines are mandatory. Okay, so where form context text equal to execution context dot get form context. Okay, these two lines are mandatory if you are working in the forms. Okay, this is where, sorry. Okay, so this is the first initial two statements that we are going to use it for the, anyway, this is the caps lock. Toggle section form context equal to execution context dot get form context. Okay, and next what we are going to do is we have to declare a variable, and we have to store this preferred method. Okay, preferred method of contact. Okay, this information we have to store in the, for example, if it is an email, then we have to store in the variable, right? So variable name I am giving like okay, I am giving preference already it is there. Okay, variable name I am giving preference equal to form context, sorry, form context already it is there. Okay, dot get attribute. We are getting the attribute, and in the bracket, okay. So what we have to write, that schema name we have to write this preferred method of contact schema name we have to write. So how to write? There is some okay, there is some extension. So Microsoft PowerPoint, right? Like PowerPoint already, PowerPoint. Okay, if it is not there, just search it. PowerPoint, this one, right? You have to add it. add to row, add extension. Okay, now I have added, and next, yeah, this is the PowerPoint extension. Take the properties, sorry, schema names. For example, sometimes it may not recognize, just refresh it. Here now it came. Schema name copy mode, select it and click on it and paste it here. That's it. And the next, dot get value. Get value. Okay. So this is the variable that preference we are selecting. And the next one is if preference, this preference equal to email, but here we have 5 values are there, but I want only select email. Okay, this value only I want get. Whenever email is there, then this section should display, else the section should not display, right? So how will you get that information? Okay, so if condition we have to, if preferred contact method, right? So this one, copy, in the bracket you can paste it. Okay, you can write one. So here the preference variable equal to the value, email ID value we want to get. How to get it? So you already have extension, select it, and you see here show option values. This option value is displayed. Okay, this is option value is 2, right? So the 2 we have to enter it. Okay, equal to 2. So usually whenever you are creating this option sets, values will be created, right? Here, so when you are creating, automatically the values will be created in the fields. Go and check the in the fields, the values will be available for the option set. So those option set values only I am taking it here. If preference equal to 2, then open, and what we want to execute, form context, form context, okay, dot ui dot, okay, dot tab get. We have to select tabs get. We have to select tab get, right? And what is the tab name? Already tab name already I copied earlier. So this is the summary tab. Copy it and paste it in the quotations. And section get. Next section, we have to select the section. That section. Section that get. Okay. And what is the section name? In the bracket, we already taken that section. Email information. Right. Copy and paste it. Next dot set where is set visible true. Set visible true. TRU. Okay, that's it. And the next, close this bracket. And next, what we have to write is else else condition also we have to write. So else, here already else is there, and open this bracket. Okay, form context, dot tabs, dot get, same method, this one, copy complete one and paste it in the bottom, and instead of true, false, you have to write false. That's it. Okay, and close this bracket and close the another bracket also. So this bracket we have closed this one. So anyway, this is the script. Actually you have to copy and paste in the, okay, where we have to come in the web resources. So same copy, and this is the another one, just this comments and all, it is available, just I am changing it, that's it, nothing else. Just simply I am changing the this one, summary tab. Everything is same, only email this schema name is different. And why I am copying means here comments and sorry, this comments and everything is available, that's why I am copying this code, that's it. Okay, and next is copy and paste it in the web resources. Go to the web resources, and this is the environment, and next go to the web resources. Web resource, right? Somewhere resources. Double click on it and add your code into the web resource. Click on new, and now what you need to do is just to type it. Okay, so type what you are going to type. Just a function name you can put, toggle section. Okay, next web JavaScript and language English, and copy and paste this code. That's it. Copy and paste it. Right? Click OK. So next thing is you have to save this, name, web resource name. You have to save somewhere. I'm saving it my notepad. Okay, and new underscore. Okay, this is the web resource name. I need it later, so that's why I saved it and publish it. So now I saved it and then I publish it. Okay, now with the customization also, if you want, you can do it, not a problem. And next events, we have to add events in the form. close it and go to the form. Okay, contact form. Select this contact and form, and the next contact form, double click it. This is the contact form. So see, this is our email information section. Go to the form properties and add your web resource. Okay, there is no web resource for our web resource, right? So that's why we have to add it. So we already saved our web resource name, new underscore toggle section. Okay, search it and add it. So now I have added. This is the web resource name. Now what I want is I want whenever that preferred method field is changed, this function should be triggered, right? And also whenever the form is loaded also I want trigger this function. Okay, so now select form and onload. On save is not required, onload only. Add this form and my function name. Already this is my function name, right? Copy and paste it here and select this execution context as first parameter. Okay, now I have added. And the next on field change also. Which field? Preferred method of contact. Whenever we select this field also, my function should be triggered. So on change, right? So event is on change. Select this on change and click on add your function, click OK. So two two events, one is on change, another one is on undo, two functions. Click OK and save it and publish it. And save and close. So and go and check. This is our form. It is not required. Just so now just refreshing. That's it. See, preferred method any is there. Okay. So still it is not reflected. Just uh, refresh it again. You see, any is there, nothing is there. Okay, when you select preferred method any, so nothing is there. But if I select email, that the email section is displayed, right? If I select phone, nothing will be there. Section is hidden. And when I select fax, the section is hidden. Mail, the section is hidden. Okay, only email it is displaying. Okay, this is the section hide and unhide feature in JavaScript. So this feature is not available in business rules. So that's why we are using JavaScripting. Okay, whenever JavaScript, I mean business rules are not available, we use JavaScript for client validation purpose. So that's it for today's class. Thank you. Thanks everyone.